and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is an unboxing and review video. I was contacted recently by a seller on Amazon. They are called Leeven Hair Store on Amazon. I have done some reviews for them in the past. I've reviewed their long passion twist, their long 22 inches passion twist. I've also reviewed their short passion twist, which is 12 inches. I have also done review of their new Locs, which is one of the new type of crochet locks that they have. I also did that review recently. So they reached out to me recently to review a new product for them. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the new products together. So let's get right into the video. So the products arrived in two different bags, which you can see here. I guess they sent them in two different bags because they are sending me two different colors this time around. Okay, so I'm just going to open up the bags with my scissors. So this is the first one that I'm going to be bringing out of the pack. Okay. So they're sending me their color T-Bug, okay? T-Bug, it has a little bit of burgundy color, so it's a mixture of black and burgundy color, okay? So on their website, they call it T-Bug, okay? And it has some jewels in them, which can be used for the finishing touches of the hair, okay? So these are some of the jewels here. They are all like gold color. I have more in the bag. So here are the jewels. I'm going to put them aside here. Okay. So let's see how the hair looks. So here I have two packs of the burgundy color. Yeah, I hope you can see the colors. Yeah, clearly. So I have two packs of the burgundy color, and that was how I requested it. One of the things I like about the ordering process, the selection process for the product on Amazon is the fact that you can actually select the number of packs of each color that you want. So it gives you that flexibility of picking like as many colors to combine. Okay. So they sent me two of the burgundy color, and they also sent 6 packs of the black color, okay? So this is color 1B, okay? They sent me 6 packs of the color 1B. I'm still going to open the pack so that you can see the texture of the hair. I also got crochet hook again. Each time they send me crochet hair, they always send crochet hook along with it. So I have a lot of it in the house right now. So the black color, 1, 2, okay? I still have more in the bag. So I have another 2 here, making 4. And I also have another 2 here. So that makes 6. So 6 of the black color and also 2 of the burgundy color. And I also got more jewels, okay? More accessories for the hair decoration, for finishing touches. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that they sent me. The crochet hook, they sent me the jewels, and also 2 different colors. Altogether, I have 8 packs. Okay, so let's go in and see how the texture of the hair feels. So this is it. Each pack comes in a little net, so I'm going to take that net off so that we can actually see how the hair looks, okay? So I've removed the net that is used to protect the hair, and this is the hair, okay? So the texture of the hair actually feels very soft, and there's absolutely no frizz, okay? As you can see, the hair looks much softer than the crochet hair, crochet passion twist hair that I reviewed for them in the past. So it's a newer kind of crochet hair. It's also bouncy, but with less tight curls, okay? And the way they describe this product on their website, it goes like this: Amazon Leeven Hair Store Spring Twist Hair for Butterfly Locks. So this hair is really good for the new trendy kind of hairstyle called butterfly locks. Okay, so you can use it for the regular passion twist, and you can also use it for butterfly locks. So please feel free to check out the link to the product in my description box below. Okay, I'm going to leave a link to the product there in case you want to order. Okay, so if you're considering doing butterfly locks, this is a very good product for butterfly locks, and it's a new and trendy hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to use this hair to make a particular style which I'm going to release in my next video. Okay, so please watch out for that video so you can see what I decided to do with this hair. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Okay, and take good care of yourself. I will see you in my next video.